How to use an appliance dolly. An appliance dolly is the right tool for moving appliances and other heavy or bulky items, including refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers, and stoves. Appliance dollies have higher loading capacity than standard hand trucks or furniture dollies. They are built for heavy items. Appliance dollies have rub rails generally padded with soft material like rubber to protect the finish of your appliances and prevent scratches and dings. These dollies also feature built-in cargo straps, allowing you to secure the item to the dolly throughout the move. Appliance dollies are not difficult to use. Follow these simple steps. Prior to preparing your load, clear the pathway. Make sure the ground and floor is clear of any debris that might impede your progress. Measure any doorways or tight hallways prior to attempting to pass through them. Some refrigerators may require removing their doors or handles in order to fit through standard door frames. Step 1. Load the appliance dolly. Position your dolly so that you are facing a smooth side of the appliance. It is best not to have the back or front of an appliance resting against the dolly, as you will want to avoid risk of damage to mechanical components or electrical cords. Gently tilt back the appliance and slide your dolly underneath. The appliance should be resting against the rub rails. To avoid injury, lift with your legs and not your back. Step 2. Secure the item. Secure the built-in strap around the appliance. It should be positioned near the center of the appliance. Pull the slack out of the strap. Wrap up the dragging tail of the strap to ensure it doesn't drag or cause a tripping hazard for you once you begin moving. Step 3. Turn the belt handle. Further secure the strap by turning or cranking the belt handle. Step 4. Tilt the appliance dolly backward. Tilt the appliance dolly backward, balancing the weight of the appliance on the fulcrum of the appliance dolly. Step 5. Move your load. Take care when going up and down stairs and use a spotter. If at any time your load feels like it's slipping or insecure, tilt the load back to the ground and adjust the straps. For larger appliances, do not attempt without a second person to assist. Do not balance more weight than you're able to support.